That So the current password that they sent to my email, that's what I'm going to input now. So let me input it down and choose a password that I'm going to use to be able to log in. So I'll now put the new password that I'll select for me to be able to log in. Make sure that you're going to use the same password on the new password and the current password. You click save. Once I click save, that's the password that I'm going to use to log in. And always memorize your customer ID, which is this ID that, that was given to me, assigned to my account. So I want to put my new password that I just put there. So I've logged in. You see, I've logged in now. So this DMA enable is direct market access. Once it's enabled on your portfolio on your account, you can able to send your trade direct to Nigeria Stock Exchange. That means once you send the trade, your trade will be executed immediately. So this one is if you switch user, if you have maybe a children's account that you want to link, maybe your children account that you want to be managed. So once you click on this switch user, you can switch user and enter into your children's account so that you can execute their trade for them because they are minors. So if you want this user to be set up for you, for your children, you can send us a mail at customer service at leadcapitalng.com for us to enable the user for you so that you can switch to so many users for your kids, which are minor, so that you can able to execute the trade and buy and sell trade and buy and sell stock for them. So this trade web terminal, I'm still going to come to it. So let me do this one first. So on the home, you're going to home. You go down, you see your portfolio summary, you see your cash, your equity. So once you go down, you go to cash, you see my minimum balance, which is 5,8375. That 8375.45 kobo. You see my total portfolio that I've invested on equity. So this is my total holdings. That's what I have. So you have to add cash and the equity, then you don't get the total. Then you see the currency rate as of today. Then you see the top losers. Then you see the top gainers as of today. As of from 12 7 p.m. So let me go to investment. If you go to investment, you click on account. Then so here you see your account statement. You see your account balances. So you see a drop down, you can select account statement, account balances, select stock equities. So I can select the date range that I want for me to get my customer statement. So those are the stock that I traded yesterday, that I purchased yesterday. So you see the debit and the balance and everything. So that's for, if you click on investment, you see account. So let me go to portfolio holdings. So I click my portfolio holdings. It's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, it's coming up. Sorry for the delay. Okay. So the portfolio holdings is that's my portfolio holdings. So those are the holdings that I have. You can see that. So I don't have any FG savings bond. If you click on here, you're going to see your FG savings bond. If you have treasury bill, it will show here. I don't have any bond. So it's only equity that I have. So I'll go to investment again. I'll go to my I don't have any certificate deposit. If I brought in certificate for our research department to work on, your certificate deposit will be here. So let me go to my portfolio summary. Coming up, please. Okay, so this is my portfolio summary. You can see the portfolio summary is being grouped per stock. You see all the stock that I have. So if you want to change it to per sector, you're going to change back to per sector. So that you see per sector, so it's showing per sector. So let me change it back to per stock so that I can explain what I want to explain. So per sector, you see the stock that I have per sector. You see the name, the units, the average cost, the market value, and the price, and the cumulative cost, whether the stock is gaining or is losing. So gain in Naira and gain in percentage, you can see that. You see my ICO, you see AfriProof, you see Aradel, you see Better Glass. So that's how you go so that you can see that's my portfolio summary. Then if you go down, you see total cost of what I invested. This is total fees. This is total market value. This is my gain of all my total portfolio. This is my gain and loss percentage. That's for investment. So I want to go back. I want to go to deposit before I'll go to trade so that I'll explain how the market works. There are two types of trade. We have, you can trade via web trade terminal. I can trade via trade legacy, but I'll come back to that. So if you want to deposit cash, you click on deposit. Then you say pay with bank. Once you click on pay with bank, it's going to show your visual account tied to your portfolio. So you can see my visual account, FSDH Merchant Bank. This is my account number. So once I want to pay in money, I'll pay money to this account. So once I pay in money, the money will be auto-credited to my account. So I'm going to demonstrate that to see how it works. So after the deposit, if I go here, say view payment status, it's going to show the description of what I've deposited. So I've deposited 1,000. I deposited 2,000. So because they charge 100 naira for deposit fees, whether you are depositing 1 million or 100 million, the system is going to charge you 100 naira. That's all. So I'll do a live deposit now so that you see how it works and how it reflected. Thank you. So you go to research. If you click on here, you see market research. It's going to take you there. If I click on it, it's going to open to another page. You see market status, market watch, simulated portfolio, watch list, and price triggers. So I'm going to still explain that. So once you go to support, if you want to withdraw your sales proceed, you go to make a request. So once the make a request open, you see a drop down. See request for stock sales withdrawal. Once you click on that, you type the message, kindly pay the social amount that you see on your cash balance for my sales proceeds. Then you can still include your bank account details that they will pay you money. And make sure that that bank account details correspond with what we have on our database so that we can initiate the payment. You know, the payment comes with T+3, but we are still working on our another modern version of our Leadtrader that we're going to implement so that we'll tell you how it goes. Maybe it's going to be an automatic withdrawal, but we have to put a cap on it so that your withdrawal is going to be seamless. So thank you. I'll go back to the deposit of funds. I want to deposit funds now. First of all, I'll check my balance so that I can see what I have on my balance. And once I deposit money, it's going to top up. So I'll go to home for you to see my cash balance. So I'm clicking on home now. So my cash balance is 5,8737.45. So let me go to deposit funds, pay with banks. I want to deposit money to my FDH account. That is visual account tied to my account. I want to deposit money now. I want to deposit the money now. So, so I encourage every of our clients to go through this means so that they can deposit their money so that it will be seamless for them to be able to execute their mandate in time so that they will not pass into any hurdles or waiting for our operation department to credit their money to their account when they pay through our bank account. So I want to deposit money now. So they try to deposit the money. Okay, I'm coming. Try to deposit the money. Coming. I'm depositing the money so that it will reflect on my cash wallet, so I can make use of it to trade. So I want to deposit the money now so that you guys will see how it's reflected. So I've deposited money now. So the money is still going from my phone. I've sent the money through my phone, so as soon as it's going to drop to my cash balance so that you can see it as it top up, as it top up. So it's still going from my phone. Okay, let's do the waiting now. So let's go to research. If you click on market research, it's going to take you to another page so that you can see the market return, so that you can see what market research is talking about. You can go there, see the market statistics, market watch, your simulated portfolio, your watch list, and your price trigger. Price trigger means that if you want to set a trigger for a particular stock and you're looking for the price, maybe you want to set an asset that once asset clock 27 system 27 naira or 28 naira or 30 naira, that the system will send you a notification that access is doing 27 naira is for you to sell your stock, or if you still want to hold on to it. Thank you. That is the essence of the trigger. The watch list, I'm still going to come to that. So this is the market research. So anything that you are looking for the market, traded stock, you see it there. So if I'll search for any stock that I want to search, you can see it there. So let's go to market statistics. So this one is market statistics, what the price lists are doing for every stock. So market watch. So it's opening. Market watch is opening. So I'll still click simulated portfolio so that I see, and I still click the watch list. So let all of them open so that I'll be explaining it one after the other. So let me still go back to my, that's my trap. So this is simulated portfolio. So you can add symbols of your, also add, so let's see what it's doing. So you can add a lot of stuff for your simulated portfolio so that you can be monitoring and be seeing the action of what the stocks are doing on the market. That's for the simulated portfolio. This is for the watch list. You can add a symbol of a watch list of a stock that you're monitoring so that you can see how the stock is doing, how it's going up and down. Then this page is for watch list, which is the Leadtrader, but I'm still going to explain that. So let's go to trade. So if you want to execute trade on this platform, there's two types, there's two terminal that I can use to execute trade on our platform. Now execute trade legacy. So I'm going to carry out live trade now so that the client can see how it works. So I'll go to action, buy. I'll do buy and sell. It's the same process. So I'll go to buy. I'm going to symbol and select that I want to buy access call. Then the limit means you're placing your price on a limit for you to check the price that you want to put for that price. I'm going to do limit and market. So I click on market, then it's showing me the current price that access is doing. So I say, okay, I want to buy 2 units of access. Then when you come to this date, I want the stock to execute as of today. So you have to select the particular date that you want this stock to be executed, which is 15, which is today. You must click it. So I've selected this trade and I say preview. It now went me, it now show me preview and everything, show me available balance of what I have and everything. So I now click submit. Once I click submit, the trade went straight to the market immediately. So this one, you have to create a trigger. If I want to create that trigger, I'll click OK and add maybe 27 naira, 30 naira as the trigger price. Once the trigger price reach, the system is going to send me a notification that my asset is reading 27 naira, 30 naira for me to buy or for me to sell. That's it. So I'll cancel because I don't need it. So I'll send it straight to the market. So it not take me back. So I want to do for limit. Then I'll go to access again. I want to place access on limit. Then show me what access is doing. So I'm going to place access on 24, which is limit. So I select limit. The other one I did it in market. So the trade has executed. It has reached the market. So I select limit. I'll now say, okay, price that I want to select. I'll now say 24 naira for the limit price. Then I'll now say, okay, how many quantity do I have? I say 3 that I want to execute. So see this date, I want to put this market as limit as of today. So once it's today, if the system did not give me as of 24 naira, the order is going to be cancelled automatically from the system. So, but if you click on 22, 22 means I'm going to wait for 7 days. This order is going to be in the market for 7 days. So if there's any person that wants to sell the assets at 24 naira and they will give me the 3 units inside of it. That's how it works. So I want this order to stay only for today. If I want it to sell, if I want it to stay for 3 days, I'll click 17. So that means 15, 15, 16, 17. That is 3 days. But I want the order to stay in the market for only just a day. Then I'll now click 15. Then I'll now click preview. Sorry, time out. Trade, trade legacy. Bye. Okay. So I put on limits. Then the limit price, I put 6 naira. Then I put quantity. I put maybe 6 quantity. And I say, okay, I want the order to stay like for 3 days. And I click 17. And I say preview. So, and I say submit. I'll place the order in the market. So that's the option. So if I want to see all the orders that are placed in the market, I'll go to trade history. If I go to trade history, I will now see executed orders. Those are the orders that are executed. I'll click open orders. Those are the orders that is open. So you see the orders that is open, which is this order that I just clicked now is on open market. That means it's on the market, but it's open because the price that I put, nobody has given me the price so that it will be supplied to me. Once it's supplied, it's going to show executed. So I will now go here. You now see rejected orders. The order that was rejected in the market, that's this order that was rejected in the market. They click cancel orders, the orders that I have cancelled from the market. Those are the orders that I have cancelled. And I click executed orders. Those are the orders that I went through that have been executed. There you can see it. All the orders that I've bought as from this day, all of them has been executed. So for these open orders, they stay open because the market has not, you say, they gave me a message that the trade rule price limited exists there. Price limit cannot be lesser than 6.12. So if I want to put this price, I must put this price as a 6.13 so that it will not be lesser than 6.12. So is either I replace it or it's because the system has cancelled it. So maybe I'll say I'll replace it and not change the price, the quantity. I'll still put 6. The price limit, I'll still put 6.13 because the system has given me a skew. And I still put it on limit and I say replaced. So I've replaced it. So, and I click, this is portfolio transactions. This is my portfolio transaction. Those are transactions that I've performed so far. Then you click here, that is contract note. So even though the system did not send you contract notes, it can come here and generate your contract notes for your purchase and your sales. You can generate them from the, you can select the date range and select, and you see all your your contract notes. So let me select my own contract notes. Select that for today. And I say, okay. So those are my contract notes. You see it, you're going to see the quantity, the price, the amount, the SEC fee, stamp fee, commission, VAT, CSC fee, and total. So I can see all of my contract notes. You can do it for both purchase and sales. So that's of the trades. So let me go to the web trade terminal. You can click here to go to the web trade terminal. You can click here to go to the web trade terminal. So I click, that's another phase of trading. So that's for the web trade terminal. I've showed the first stage of trading window. So this one is Web3 terminal. So it's open. It's opening. So it's coming up. So this is Web3 terminal. So you are going to see what your stock is doing. You can click this to analyze your portfolio. So let me click it so that the AI will tell you what your portfolio is doing. So this is my total portfolio. It's going to advise me which one I want to sell, which one I want to buy and everything. So you can read this. You can see your portfolio, what your portfolio have done for 1 month. You can click for 3 months, you can click for 6 months, you can click for 1 year. It will show you. So this is my total cost. This is my total market value. This is my gain and my loss. That's what I've achieved on my, this one is when it's selected it to per sector. So then you see my portfolio holding. So if I want to trade now, I want to see all the trades that are sent on the market. So if you go here, you see your basic information, KYC update, account details, deposit funds, change password, manage account, trade, then you can see your trade, watch list, trade status, trade trigger, and simulated portfolio. You can see your contract notes, make a request, cash request, notification, chat room, refer a friend, or contact us. So all those things, you're going to see it here. So I want to click on Trade Pro. So I want to click on Trade Pro so that I'll see that order that I sent to know whether it's in the market or not. But once any order that is showing open, That means it's in the market, but they have not given you the exact price that you choose, so that the system can able to match the price that you choose, so that the stock will be executed for you. So that's why it's showing open. If it's showing executing, that means it's on the market. Is maybe they're trying to like to supply you with the reference that you want. And once it's fully supplied, you're going to get executed field. That means all the quantity that you supplied has been given to you. But if it's say showing executing, maybe partially of maybe if you like 10,000 units, they supply 4,000. That means the other will still be showing you executed. So after they supply that 10,000 units finish, the other will now say fully executed. So that's how the system is being structured. But I want to show you, this is another trading module. They call it Web Trade Terminal. So on this one, you see your Web Trade Terminal. You see how it's showing. You can select, this is premium board. You can select any security that you want and you check and you see how the stocks are doing. So you see the trade history. If I click here, I see my trade history. You see Leadtrader. That is Leadtrader for you to trade. You see InfoWare ChatGPT. So you can ask the ChatGPT any news that you want to ask in related to market, or what your portfolio is doing, or what assets is doing as at this time. If your asset a good buy or a good sell, so you can ask the ChatGPT, it will show you. So I want to show the stock that I queued in that is on open. So that's ABBYDCS. So let me show you. Let me copy this. So let me show all the open orders. So, I'm coming. So let me walk you through how you can see that is in the market. So I'll go here on this premium. So let me select all board. It's coming up. I'll select all board. So all the stocks will be listed here for all boards. It's coming up, please. Sorry, it's coming up. Sorry for the inconvenience. I want to switch to another network so that you can see the stuff at a glance. Okay. Okay, so I've clicked all board. So let me check for the AB. So this is the ABBYBDS that I do. So let me check load market history. So load market history, you are going to see the order that I placed so that you can see that is online. So those are the total orders as the price book. Okay. Okay. Let me check the order book. So I put six. Okay. This time rejected it. Okay. Let me cancel it. I want to cancel the order now. So let me redo the order again. Trade legacy. I can still place the order on both ways. I can still place the order here, or I'll place the order here. So let me place the order buy. So if you want to buy, you click on plus minus. This plus sign is to buy. So it's showing me buy. So I want to buy now. So limit. I select my limit. The price that I want to buy. So I want to buy at, remember the message that they sent to me. I want to buy at 6 naira 15 kobo. So quantity that I want to buy 6. Instruction not and I say I want the order to be executed in the market as today. So I need to select the date. So once it's today, if they didn't supply me, the system is going to cancel the order automatically. Then I click review and I click submit. So I say trade successfully added. Total bid displaying records. This top bid, this top offer price. This, so I want to show you this order that I put that is in the market. Close. Let's search for market activity. I want to check the price that I put, which is 615. So I'll be going. Okay. Open orders. Okay, see the open orders. So it's showing executing. 6 quantity. That's the price that I put, like 615. Okay. Those are the order book. So do you see the order that I just put now? That's 6 units at 6 naira 15 kobo. So you see the order is in the market now. So it's showing I put the order by 12:39 p.m. So you see this order is displaying here. So it's showing that it's in the market. That's why it's showing executing. So if there's a price for it, they will give me, see how many people that queued for this order. 20,000 units for 615. Then I put 6 units for 615. That's my order. So you can use this platform for you to be able to trade your trade so that you can see if your trade is hitting the market or not. So you can do that also. So that's the essence of having two web trading portals. So you can use web trade terminal. You can use our trade legacy for you to trade. So it's two options. But this one is more like an AI, so that anything that you want to ask, you can ask for for your portfolio, so that you can know what your portfolio is doing. So if you go to education, you are going to see all the videos you can use to navigate to the trade. So you can go to trade history, so that you can see your trade history. You see my trade history. So you see the one I just queued now, which is open. You see the one that I just canceled, showing the trade rule limits. Then trading commands. So those are your trade history, how your trade is being going. So you click on trading command, see your trading command. So you can search and get any report that you want. This is your idiot trader. That's the trader that I used to execute this trader. So which is the web trading terminal. So it's loading. So that's idiot trader. So trade signal. So remaining small so that we can entertain with some questions and answers. So the trade signal is coming up. So these are the trade signals. So you're going to see bullish price cross above. Then you can click on it. You see what it's telling you. This is info where ChatGPT. So you can ask him any question that you want to ask him pertaining any stock that you want to get information on. And your internet has to be strong so that you can able to get to this application very well. The internet has to be so strong so that you can get to it very well. I've opened the info with ChatGPT so that I can ask the question, the chat channel, the question that you want to ask pertaining any stock or any security that you're looking for. So it's loading. Okay. So sorry for the inconvenience. So you can see your watch list, you can see your price triggers and portfolio tracking. So I've clicked on this, it's loading. So these are your watch list. You can add your watch list regarding any stock that you want to be tracking. So you can add it here. So sorry for the inconvenience for the internet. So it's coming up, please. So those are the add to watch list. So price triggers, I've talked about the price trigger portfolio tracking. So you can track your portfolio. So it's opening. So see your portfolio can add your security that you want to track and everything, add it to your portfolio so that you can be adding all the stock that you want to be tracking. It will be telling you how the stock is doing and everything. So once you come here, you click on it. So you see the people that are added. So they added Uninsure. So you see they're tracking it to know what they're doing and everything. Those are the chat room. You can chat with people for them to have insight on what the stocks are doing. Thank you. So I'm going to entertain some questions. So because we are rounding up by 1 o'clock. So question and answer. Any person that wants to ask questions should indicate by raising up a hand. I can see so many questions in the QR section. So the portfolio summary, okay, anonymous. So let's go to question and answers. So we entertain like 2 or 3 people should ask question, so we can enable them to speak. So they say the portfolio summary to a new platform does not show the breakdown of difference of asset holdings or customer, e.g. equities and bonds. Yeah, on my own platform, I have only equities. I don't have bonds and T-bills. That's why it's not displaying. If I have it, it will display. The customer ID, same thing, and username. Yes, Samuel Worker is the same. Yes. So please confirm what the brokerage fee is also. Is the portfolio summary live? Does the data change as the price changes? Yeah, it does. Um, mailed you. Yeah, it does. Why is some of my FG bond not reflected on my portfolio? So, the bond units are incorrect. So we are still going to work on that. I will take note of that. Query, Ilea, I will take note of that. So we are going to take note of your name and get back to you after the section so that I will call you and resolve your issue. So, Ubonabasi. So please, point of correction, withdrawal of sales produce according to NG is not 2T+2, not T+8. Kindly address the clarity for it. Okay, thank you. We have taken note of that. Okay, no problem. We'll address that also. So once you will confirm from our team and get back to you, so that any person that make a sales withdrawal, your process is going to pay within T+2. Thank you. I say I have not received my Zenith dividend 2 days after it was paid. Can you look at it? They're paying it batch by batch. If you have not received it and you've been receiving it before, they will pay you. But if you have not received it if you have not received it before, maybe you have to fill your e-dividend form and send it to our customer care so that we can process it for you. Thank you. So why there are no account details in my profile if I want to deposit money? It will show bank under bank name, account number, and account name. So you can try it again. Okay, I'll take note of your name. I'll check your account to know why it's not reflecting. No problem. I'll take note of that. But also kindly send us an email and complain about that, please. Ido, okay. Is this the new trader application only for the stock management alone? We are all other assets and bonds and EGT are managed. I'll leave soon. I have other meeting to thank you. Okay, Mr. Ido. This the application now is showing only for stock, which is our security. But if you have our mutual funds, we are going to send you your mutual fund statement so that I can see your holdings, and I'm going to share the link that you can use to access your holdings. But we are still working on our new application, which is the Leadtrader that will consolidate all of them at once, as it was before. So once the application will be on soon, once it's on, you can able to see your portfolio both on asset management and your securities. Thank you, Mr. Ido. So any other further question, you can send us an email on customer service at leadcapitalng.com so that we can address your issue. Thank you. Okay, I would like to ask if the app is now working now. Yeah, I'm unable to log in. So that if you're unable to log in, you can access based on what I explained on the video, you can able to log in, but app is not working now. But soon as before next week or next 2 weeks, the app will be up so that you can access your portfolio then. But remember, the new login details have changed. You cannot use your old login details on the former application. You cannot use it on this new application. So you send us an email for us to get your new login details and send to you so that once the application is up, we can use it to log in. So, good afternoon. For the benefit of us, okay, he, Adeoti, who missed some part of presentation, with the link of the video we shared, yes, it will be shared. Please confirm what the brokerage fee is also the portfolio summary. I've answered this question before. Yeah, the brokerage fee for online trading platform is 0.75. So I'll confirm that. Thank you. Why is the Leadtrader app no longer available on Working? Why is it not available on the web? It's available on the web. You can use the same link, leadtraderng.com. You can take it to this new our platform so that you can able to log in with your customer ID and your password so that you can see your portfolio holdings and you can able to buy and sell your stock. But for the new application on the iOS and Apple Store and mobile store, we're still working on that. It's going to be up soon. So once it's up, you're going to use your new login details for you to access your portfolio. Thank you, Samuel. Why is it 3 out of my 4 agents of this boy is showing? Please kindly send us an mail, anonymous. We don't know your name. So kindly send us your mail and complain about your issue so that we can get it resolved. Thank you. When is the mobile application likely to be available? I say within 1 week or 2 weeks, the mobile application will be up so that I can able to access it. But remember, you're not going to use your old username login details to log in. You're going to request for a new login detail. Send us an email at customer service at leadcapitalng.com so that we can send you your login details. So once the app is on, you can use that new login details for you to log in and access our holdings. Thank you. It's on. If your mobile application are still up, yes, it's optional, but it's under construction now. So we are still working on it. So soon as it will be up so that you can able to log in. But remember, you are not going to use your old login details to log in. You have to get a new login details from our customer service so that you can able to log in. Also, what is the brokerage fee? For the brokerage fee for online trading platform is 0.75% as it 0.75 as it is before. Thank you. My stock portfolio balance is not accurate, though my TSA statement is. When will I expect the portfolio balance accurate? Okay, we are taking note of that. So we are going to work on your portfolio and resolve it and get back to you. Thank you. Why am I not able to log in details you sent to me? You know, the login details you sent to you have a time bound, John. So once we send it to you, you have to utilize it immediately. Once the time bound is out, you cannot use that password to log in. The reason that it was done like that is for security purposes so that hackers will not going to get into your account. So we are going to reset your password and send it to you. When I tried to pay, it did not show my personalized account to be paid into. So okay, maybe refresh your account to know, but we are going to take note of that and get back to you. My bulk holdings are not correct, so okay, we are going to work on it and get back to you. So once it's 1 o'clock, we are going to be out for the section of the webinar. So any other question, you can to channel it to our customer care unit so that they can get back to you and work on it. NASA is not showing, so I'm going to review that and I'll get back to you, Emmanuel. Thank you, Mr. Ifede. Thank you, Odu. We appreciate. Brokerage fee is flat on the per annum. The brokerage fee is anytime that you trade on stock, you're going to charge a brokerage fee, which is 0.75. That's what we are charging for the brokerage fee. Thank you, Mr. Ifede. Okay, Simon Obasi. I'm not sure how to go into the info web page. Any reason each time off? Can you hold by your words when the application will go live? Yeah, I'm holding on by my words. The application will go live soon. Some stocks show zero cost of my portfolio. Some I give the new tax line on profits higher than 10 million. When will you fix this? My mindset and nail is on. Okay, for the Simon Obasi, we are going to review your portfolio and get back to you on that and revert to you. Thank you for the new tax law. We are going to have a webinar soon, and our head of sales, which is Mr. Tafi, was going to reverse to that and give a well-view clarification on the new tax law concerning all of your holdings that you have with us. Thank you. Okay, for the login details, let's see. We are going to reverse to your issue and get back to you. Okay, Mr. Samuel, we are going to reconcile your account and get back to you. Thank you. So, Mr. Tosi, we are going to revisit your question and get back to you after this webinar. Okay? For place all my trade today. I did not get any SMS alert. Why? You will get it. It's from CSCS. CSCS will send you the S alert once your trade is executed. Thank you. The recording, Mr. John, the recording will be sent to you, yeah? The portal is showing there, is not showing DML enabled. So, Joel, we are going to do that and get back to you. Okay, for Akin Yede Ojo. So we are going to get back to you on that. Thank you. We appreciate. So I'm going to round up. Okay, for one of us, you can trade now. You know, trading is being concise for a particular customer. So if any customer that wants to trade, you can send you don't want to trade on the app, you can send your mandate to our customer service at leadcapitalng.com. Send your mandate there so they will execute your trade for you. Thank you. So the video for the webinar will be shared soon and you're going to receive it. So I'm going to take 2 questions now so that I will shut down for the webinar. Thank you. Mr. Emmanuel, you can speak. Thank you. The floor is open. You can speak, Mr. Emmanuel. Hello.
Good morning, host. Hello, I can hear you. Good morning, host.
Good morning.
Okay, thank you for your presentation for the new Lead Capital Pro Plus portal. So I have a few issues here. Number one, I noticed that contract notes, when we go to contract notes for stocks we purchase, we can't download individual contract notes anymore. It's to just list under contract note, it will list all the stocks we bought, but I can't click on each one to pick out because I know I bought some stocks when you are still operating and I didn't get a contract note for those stocks. So I can't download individual contract notes anymore for each stocks I purchased.
Okay.
That's number one. And then number two, I think you've answered that one. The NASD, like I have a stock on NASD with you. It's no longer showing on the portal. Then
any other questions, sir, so that others can proceed with your questions, sir.
Okay, then the third one, the portfolio for fixed income is no longer showing.
I address that now. I was going to share it with you, your login details, so that I can able to access your portfolio. But on the new application that we're working on, everything will be consolidated on one like it used to be before. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. So just the two questions, the contract note aspect.
No problem. I'm not sure. I've taken note of that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay. Ojo, the floor is open. You can speak now so that I can round up for the meeting. The floor is open, Mr. Ojo. You can speak now.
Can,
Mr. Ojo,
can,
you can speak now.
can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Yes. The on my portfolio, I can only see the recent transactions. My old shares are not showing as part of my portfolio.
And on your valuation statement, did you get valuation statement?
I haven't had one recently, but when
Okay,
I
so
look on the portfolio on what is showing on mine is only the recent stocks that I bought, but it's
no
actually
problem.
not showing the old one, which used to be I could see everything on the old app.
No problem. I will consider your portfolio and I'll get back to you, sir. Thank you. Is there any other question, sir?
Okay, yes, that's it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.
And
Thank
you
you.
too. All right.
Okay. Okay, so thank you everybody for participating on this webinar. And as time goes on, we are going to be doing this webinar so that we can be putting people through, we can be putting our lovely clients how to trade and how they can go about with the new application that we created. But for the mobile app, which is the Leadtrader mobile app, is going to be up soon. So once it's up soon, you can able to navigate like the way you are navigating on the old application, and everything will work seamlessly. Thank you. And I thank you for being with. Okay, for the innocent Yakubu, let me allow you to talk so that I'll round up. Thank you. Okay, the floor is open. You can talk. Mr. Innocent, the floor is open. You can talk, please. Yeah, that was it. Okay. So we have come to the end of this meeting. Um so we have any request, every issue that you have mentioned, we are going to resolve it and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you. I see you some other time. Bye.